So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Brightcom Group share. So previously, when we have done the complete technical analysis, we have discussed all the important supports and resistances. So today, we'll try to discuss few important things related to BCG, and also we'll see what are the near-term supports. So before we get into the BCG stock, so if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And most importantly, do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for intraday, swing and long term. I'll provide link in the description followed by comment section. Okay, so before we go to the complete charts, so in the morning itself in the Telegram group, I've mentioned about BCG. So many people were confused why suddenly the chart pattern has got changed, because the stock has come into the NSE equity category from the BE segment. So what is actually difference between that? So in equity, obviously we know we can do the intraday trades, BTST trades, so buying and selling on the same day. So everything as we do in any large cap company or normal company. So that is what is called NSE EQ. But what is NSE BE? So BE is something where the circuit limit also would be restricted to 5%. You cannot do any intraday. At least you need to hold the stock for T+2 days. So that is what is the difference. So anytime when you're buying NSE BE stocks, I clearly mentioned that it would be little risky, because once they come down, let's say you're buying today, then again you can't exit on the same day or the next day. You need to hold that for few sessions. So and also we know BCG has come little high, like from the ASM stage 4 it has come to the stage 3. That is also well known to all of us. So coming to the equity segment is obviously considered as a positive thing, but only thing is that once the audit report, whatever it is there, so that if comes to the market, so then only the stock reversal may happen. So until then we may expect this sort of panic selling will continue, and also the market situation also needs to stabilize. So if this everything will contribute to the BCG's movement. So now let's go to the charts. So there I'll try to discuss all the levels. Okay, so now if you try to observe the BCG daily chart, so you can see earlier when the stock used to be in the equity segment, it was somewhere around that 140 or 130 something in that particular zone. But today you can see it is somewhere trading around 97. So because after it has entered into that B category, so we have seen a little bit of correction in it, and also because of few updates that actually made the stock slide in the downside direction. Right, so as I discussed in the previous videos, the supports for the stock are somewhere around the 80 rupees level. So that you need to keep in mind, because as I told, there we have some strong levels and moving averages were also present. So keep that 80 rupees level in radar. And most importantly, in the coming weeks, we also have the bonus date. So once that bonus date approaches, we know the stock price would fall, the shares that you have would increase according to the ratio. Right, so keep that also in mind. And similarly, when any stock is in equity category, so that continuous lower circuits is not expected for a huge days. At some point of time, if market retraces, so the sell orders will also start reducing and some sort of movement may happen. Right, so keep these things also in mind. So only for long term perspective, keep a eye on it. So don't expect any short term gains on BCG. So once the audit report comes, everything look good, then we'll search for average opportunities. So until then, hold patiently. Right, so any further queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is stocks diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.